See, this is a past paper question of acid bases.
Yeah.
Whenever you're getting a question, the main important is that you underline over here the important points. That's very important. In the pressure of the exam, we lose the focus, right? Our tension level goes up. So why not to underline? Why sulfuric acid and methanoic acid? We have to think like that as a lower pH circle. Now, in such questions, what we do next? The next part is that we have to make sure that we are understanding that sulfuric acid is a strong acid and
Yeah.
methanoic acid a weak acid. This thing is very important to write next, right? It is a strong acid and a weak acid. Now I have to go to the particular part of the definition. The strong acids are what? Strong acids are those which completely dissociates. Single-headed arrow. This thing is very important, right? There's a video which I uploaded. Will be uploading that how to experimentally determine a strong acid and weak acid. The video I'll be uploading. You can watch that video. Very good video. Very important video where you can get a. It's a question also comes. How can you experimentally determine? Suppose a question that what are the main ways experimentally we can determine between a sulfuric acid and methanoic acid. That also comes. Now in a strong acid, what happens? It completely dissociates. It completely dissociates. 100% dissociates. And what's a weak acid? A weak acid which will be partially dissociating, right? Understood?
Yeah.
Partially dissociating, right? And we write it with the equilibrium sign. This thing you have to understand, right? We use a equilibrium sign. Why the equilibrium sign? Because it will be much less than 100%, right? Means
Yeah.
it is somewhere around below 1% also. Suppose methanoic acid. I'm giving an approximate idea. Methanoic acid has got a have got a Ka or dissociation constant of 10 to the minus 6. Can you see this?
Yeah.
10 to the minus 6 means if you take 1 0 0 0 0 6 zeros, only one will be dissociating. Is it clear? Understood this
Yeah.
part, right? So this is very important that when you take a weak acid partially dissociates as per the definitions. It does not completely dissociates, but actually in a hindsight, you remember that it dissociates much less than 1% also. So if you take 100 HBs, you're getting one. Over here, taking 100, you're getting 100 because 100% dissociation. So this trick they have asked you to know. Now come to the part. They have joined another trick. A lower pH. Why does it have a lower pH? We know that pH is equal to what? pH is equal to negative log of H plus ion concentration, right? Negative log. So it's a
Yeah.
negative log of the H plus ion concentration. So this thing also you have to harp now. It's a negative log. So if you see that the H plus ion concentration, if it increases, the pH will tell me pH will
Yeah.
decrease, isn't it? And
Yeah.
if the H plus ion concentration increases, the pH will decrease. And if the H plus ion concentration decreases, tell me what happens? The pH will increase.
Mhm.
Is it clear? So
Yeah.
it's a inversely proportional. So we know that if we take the same concentration of the sulfuric acid 100 and same concentration of the methanic acid 100, how much amount of H plus will you getting for the sulfuric acid, strong acid? 100 roaming around. And for the weak acid, what happens? You're getting one. Who is the main player of acidity? The main player of acidity is completely dissociated H plus ions. You can write down this. Who is the main player of
Yeah.
acidity? Main player of acidity is completely dissociated H plus ions. Done this part?
Yeah.
Completely dissociated. So did you get my point? In a strong acid, we have got huge number of H plus ions roaming around, 100 times more than a weak acid. So thus, the pH will be much less. Technically, I'm giving a thumb rule. Strong acid has got a pH of 0 to 1. Weak acid has got a pH of 2 to 6. Why? Because of 1 H plus roaming around. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Did you get this point? So this is the question you have to know. Now, so the options are what? Options are that first you have to harp on this strong acid, weak acid. So this is the thing we have to harp upon. So this is not the case. Sulfuric acid ionizes more than methanoic acid. Let's keep it in a hold, right? Sulfuric acid has got a stronger conjugate base. No, not this, right? It's opposite. It will be having a weaker conjugate base, right? Sulfuric acid
Yeah.
more soluble than methanoic acid. No, both are soluble, right? Get my point? I'm going for a going for a what? Going for a for the process where we are eliminating the wrong answers. You can do like this also. You get
Yeah.
my
Okay.
point? Whenever you're getting a question, we have to know that what exactly is asked for. So that's a very good question you've shown. Thank you.